The Great Wall of China is a landmark of great historical and cultural significance. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it is one of the most impressive architectural masterpieces in human history. Tourism plays an important role in maintaining and preserving the Great Wall. Visitors have the opportunity to explore breathtaking scenery and learn about the historic purpose. When planning a visit to the Great Wall of China, it is important to consider various factors such as weather conditions, accessibility, and the level of visitor flow. It is often useful for travelers to read reviews from other visitors to get an idea of their experiences and make informed decisions. Whether you are an adventurer or a lover of history, a visit to the Great Wall of China promises an unforgettable journey through time and provides a glimpse into one of humanity's greatest achievements.